Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla Model 3 trunk. First, understanding the adjustment points is key to a perfect fit. This process helps resolve common issues like uneven gaps or difficulty closing. We'll focus on achieving a smooth, consistent closure and a visually appealing alignment. Proper adjustment can significantly enhance your vehicle's overall appearance and functionality, making sure everything operates as intended. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a T30 Torx bit and a standard ratchet to loosen and tighten the bolts. Sometimes, a plastic trim removal tool can be helpful for gently prying components without causing damage. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. This provides an accurate visual reference for alignment and makes the adjustment process much easier and more precise. Now, let's get to the adjustment. Open your trunk and locate the 4 T30 Torx bolts that secure the trunk lid to the hinges. Loosen these bolts just enough so the trunk lid can be moved by hand, but not so much that it's completely free. Gently reposition the trunk lid to achieve the desired alignment with the body panels. Once satisfied, carefully tighten the bolts, applying even pressure to secure the lid in its new position. After tightening, it's crucial to test your adjustments. Slowly close the trunk, observing the gaps and alignment with the surrounding bodywork. Listen carefully for any rubbing or unusual noises, which could indicate further misalignment. If needed, reopen the trunk and make small, incremental adjustments to the bolts. Repeat this process until you achieve a perfectly aligned and smoothly operating trunk, ensuring a secure and flush fit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.